Okay, students, let us solve 13th and 14th problem of material variance. So, students, it's a 10 marks problem. The standard mix to produce a particular product is given. A 60 units at 15 rupees, total 900. That is 60 into 15, you get 900. B 80 units into 20 rupee, you get 1600. C 100 units into 25 rupees, you get 2500. Total 240 units, 5000 rupee. See, catch the point, students. The standard mix to produce a particular product is given below. So it's called standard information, not actual information. It's called standard information to produce a particular product. That is, to produce one product, you require three materials. You require material A, you require material B, you require material C. Totally, you require three materials to produce one product. For example, to get a coffee, you need to mix milk, sugar, coffee powder. If all the three are mixed, you get a product called coffee. Like that, to manufacture a product, you require material A plus material B plus material C. To produce one product, you require 60 units of A, 80 units of B, 100 units of C, and their rates per unit is given, total is also given. And this is called standard data. But standard data is given for one unit. But see the next sentence. During the month of April, 10 units of productions were manufactured. So that means 10 units are manufactured, not one unit. So standard information is given for one unit. You find for 10 units. For one unit, you require 60 units of A, 80 units of B, 100 units of C. For 10 units, how much? So you can able to find SQ, SP, A 15, B 20, C 25. So SQ is given for one unit. SP it's already given in the question. So SQ is given for one unit. You find out for 110 units. During the month of April 10 units of production were manufactured from the usage of. So by using material A, using material B, using material C, you have manufactured 10 units. So 10 units is a total manufacture what you have. A 640 units at 17 rupee 50 paisa. B 950 units at 18 rupees per unit. C 870 units at 27 rupee 50 paisa. So 17.5, 18 and 27.5 is called AP. 640 units, 950 units, 870 units is called AQ. AQ is given for 10 units, but SQ is given for 1 unit. So SP is given, AP is given, AQ is given, but SQ is given only for 1 unit. So total units of actual quantity 2460 units at a price of 52,225. So only one item is missing, students, called SQ. It's called standard quantity. So you need to find SQ first. So calculate cost variance, price variance, usage variance and mix variance. SQ, students, you need to find standard quantity for A, B, C. For 1 unit it's 60 units, for 10 units it's 600. B, for 1 unit it's 8 units, 80 units, for 10 units it's 800. For 1 unit it's 100 units, for 10 it's 1000 units. So total standard quantity is 600 plus 800 plus 1000. So you get 2400. Total actual quantity given in the question itself 640, 950, 870. So you need to find revised standard quantity RSQ. Revised standard quantity. Formula: standard quantity divided by total actual standard quantity into total actual quantity. Students, first find out RSQ, revised standard quantity. The standard quantity of A 600 divided by total standard quantity 2400, which we found in the previous slide, into 2460 total actual quantity given in the question. So RSQ, revised standard quantity, 615. Similarly for B 820, for C it's 1025. MCV students, apply the formula SP into SQ minus AP into AQ. Apply the formula for A, B, C, substitute the values. So A get minus 2200 adverse, B get minus 1100 adverse, C gets plus 1075 favorable. Next, material price variance formula SP minus AP into AQ. Substitute the values. A get minus 1600, B get plus 1900, C gets minus 2175. Material usage variance: A you get plus 600, B you get plus 3000, C you get minus 3200 plus 3250. Material mix variance formula RSQ, revised standard quantity, minus actual quantity into standard price. Apply the formula, you get minus 375 minus 2600 and you get plus 3875. Okay students, I'll explain the 14th problem. Answer is given in the subsequent slides. Kindly work out on your own. From the following data, calculate cost variance, price variance, usage variance and mix variance. Standard data for 100 units are given below. But see the next line students, actual usage of material for 102 kg. Actual it is 102, but standard data is given for 100. So SQ is given for 100. You converted for 102. So the standard data for 100 units are given below. 80 kgs at 2 rupee, total 160. 40 kgs at 5 rupee, you get 200. So 2 is called standard price of A, 5 is called standard price of B. 80 kg is for 100 units. You need to find for 102 units. 40 kg is for 100 units. You need to find for 102 units. The actual usage of material for 102 kg is given below. 70 kg at 2 rupee 10 paisa, 50 kg at 4 rupee 50 paisa for material A and B. So 2 rupee 10 paisa is called standard actual price of A, 4 rupee 50 paisa is called actual price of B. 70 kg actual quantity of A, 50 kg is called actual quantity of B. So total 120 kgs and 372 kgs, 372 rupees. So SP 2 rupee and 5 rupee, AP 2 rupee 10 paisa and 4 rupee 50 paisa, AQ 70 kg 50 kg, SQ is given only for 100 units. You need to find for 102 kgs. So here's the answer students. Kindly work it out on your own. So first you need to find standard quantity for 102 kg. So you get A 82, B 41. So total standard quantity 82 plus 41, you get 128. Actual quantity total given in the question itself 120. Apply RSQ formula, standard quantity divided by total standard quantity into total actual quantity. So this is called RSQ for A 80 and for B 40. So this is the answer for MCV, answer for MPV, MUV and MMV. Any doubts, feel free to ask students. Thank you.